To start writing programs in Java, we need to download the Java Development Kit, which is also called the JDK. It is a program which allows us to compile Java. Compiling means that we translate the code that we understand to the code that computer can understand. The JDK is available for free from oracle.com website. So let us go to oracle.com website. We type oracle.com in the browser and press enter. We will be directed to the main page of Oracle's website. We will scroll down to the top action area and click on Download Java for Developers. This page lists the versions of Java Standard Edition, which is also called Java SC. We want to download the JDK, which is the one here. We do not want NetBeans or the server JRE. We click on the download and it brings up the Java SC Development Kit 8 downloads. We have to accept the agreement so that these download links become enabled. Now we have Windows 64-bit. So we will choose the 64-bit version of JDK. If you are using 32-bit Windows or some other operating system, you may want to choose one of the other options above. The link we clicked actually downloads a standard Windows installer for JDK. So it has an executable file that we save on our local computer. Once the download completes, we will run to install it by double-clicking on it. We will just accept the defaults and proceed to install by clicking on Next. We will follow the instructions. Click on Next to proceed. We will select Development Tools and click Next. It will take a few minutes to copy the files and install them. Here, it will prompt us to choose the destination folder where we wish to save it. We recommend to use the default folder, which is c:/program-files/java, and click on Next. The installation will begin with the progress visible in the status bar. After the installation is complete, we will close the installer window. We will be required to set a couple of environment variables to make sure that the Java compiler and the command line tools are accessible irrespective of what IDE we use. We will click on Control Panel, type Environment in the search bar. We will find Edit the System Environment Variables, and we will click on that. Here, a new window will appear with System Properties. We will click on Environment Variables at the bottom right. We will be asked to set a new user variable. We will name it Java_home, all in uppercase, and click on OK. Now, we will need to select a path, and we will find c:/program-files/java/jdk/ your version number, which may be something like 1.8.0.121 /bin, and click on it to select it, and then click on OK. The reason for selecting the bin folder is that it contains the command line tools. After doing that, we will close the windows and open command prompt. Then type java -version and press enter. It will show the version of Java that we have installed. Then we type javac to test the JDK location. If both these tests work, then our installation is successful. We will see that our running of javac has not produced an error. So our installation was successful. In the next lesson, we will learn how to use the exercise files.